flood advisory for Central Cook County in Northeast Illinois, Central Kane County in Northeast Illinois, DuPage County in Northeast Illinois, until 9:30 p.m. At 6:32 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms with very heavy rainfall across the advisory area. Doppler radar estimates indicated the rainfall amounts of 1 inch to 1.5 inches have fallen in less than an hour in spots. Runoff from this excessive rainfall will cause minor flooding to occur, especially along small streams and near low water crossings.
Unrecognized! Oh yeah, obviously, because it's...
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southern Cook County in Northeast Illinois, Southeastern DuPage County in Northeast Illinois, Northeastern Granby County in Northeast Illinois, Cable County in Northeast Illinois, Bull County in Northeast Illinois, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:22 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Naperville to Plainfield to Newark and moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Darien and Shorewood around 7:35 p.m. Origin Willow Springs around 7:40 p.m. Palos Hills and New Lenox around 7:45 p.m. West of Orland Park around 7:50 p.m. Crestwood and Alsip around 7:55 p.m. Oak Forest and Middle Lothian around 8 o'clock p.m. Prepare immediately.